as we continue to talk about more players. Now, we're really taking a closer look at, of course, itong si Ronald Tubit, the rocket para sa Air 21 Express. He's found himself in a new role here. Ginagawa pa siyang point guard si Coach Poker Asol. At ito, mapapalaman siya rito, mapapasabak siya. Laman rito kay Mac Cardona, mga kaibigan, who had made a good account of himself doon sa kanilang unang laro, playing under
yung laro niya. At ito naman si Ronald Tubit, gaya nga ng sinabi natin, expecting more playing time with dahil nawala si Ren Ritualo.
Well, ito si Mac Cardona at si Ronald Tubit. Nagkasagupa rin ito in the college sports, ano?
Nagkaabutan niya about a year or two. Of course, si Ronald Tubit with UE at ito si Mac galing sa Lasal.
30-21 as we open up action here in the second period of action. At ito si Vergel Meneses. Kanina yung pasa niya papunta kay Anton Viloria to finish yung ating first period of action. Cardona doing the chores for ball distribution here para sa Air 21 Express. They go inside to Yancy De Ocampo. This time Yancy up against Porchuino. Harap-harapan na butata ang inabot. Pero Yancy with the no-look pass sa punta rito. Kay KJ Candeleta, that shot still won't go. Nandun si Martel. Look at that. Halos doblehin. Itong panic ng phone fouls ang output nitong Air 21 Express.
Another stat that ito, Benji, pero babalikan natin. In the first quarter, Talking Tex had 10 fast break points and Air 21, 0.
Yeah, talaga nangihinayang raw siya nung trinade siya nitong Talking Tex dahil nakala niya talaga wala na raw iti-trade for the pero nagulat.
It's Bruce Dasha, 8-41 here in the first half. 9-point lead. Para sa Paul Bells. Layoff, Benito finding himself open and getting the DM conference. Shooting almost in the 90s ang kanyang percentage. It's Anton Viloria laban kay Winnie Arboleda. Nabitiwan ang bola. Winnie Arboleda. Look at this layoff. Benito will still try to challenge. Wag na, baka sumabit pa ako. That's only the first basket nitong si Winnie Arboleda.
And the first fast break point para sa Air 21.
So, eto na naman ang steal ni Winnie Arboleda. Back to back. Getting those two steals. This is his first laban kay Anton Viloria. Going for the first basket. And then another one. So si Winnie Arboleda, medyo pag-iisip na dyan. Itong si Anton Viloria, wag po, tatalikuran si Winnie Arboleda.
Hindi mo ba ako kilala? Ako si The Snatcher.
Meneses against Arboleda. Meneses around his way the basket. Very patented move, the aerial Voyager, except for the shot that won't fall. Dasha off the glass and it's in.
Yung itong first unit ng Air 21 nung nandun yung bench players ng Talking Tex.
Shot clock is down to 5 seconds here. John Ferrios. Yes. 39-32. Kekuli sa pito kalamangan ng Air 21 pero he could not hang on to the leather. Alapag. Where are my teammates? Ito na, dumarating na. They go inside to Asi Taulava. Nakapagpahinga yan si Asi Taulava. And that time, talagang desidido siyang umatake doon sa the performance from the free throws. So 1 out of 4, 1 out of 5 right now. Rebound. Galing kay Mike Telan. Winnie Arboleda. To Ranidel, who hits the TM press at its inyo na bagong TM power to the people.
Yasi Taulava kay Ranidel, and that's a bit mismatch in terms of quickness. Kaya nakatira sa labas.
Mike Telan blocking that shot of Asi Taulava, providing help defense. At si Mike Telan, sabi niya, kaya alam na alam ni Mike Telan kung saan niya aabangan. Ito si Asi Taulava. Huli ka!
Ano ba kamoy sinabi mo kay Richard na tuturuan? Giving a good account for himself dito sa kanyang second game as a Air 21 Express player.
Arboleda, sinilang pinakamalaking kalamangan kanina na 12. Eto na. Pag to Vic Pablo, left open. Nope! Taulava a struggle in their first games, and right now they're really making up for it. Look at this, Jimmy Alapa, pero the tip-in, Harvey Carey. Lagi nakaabang si Harvey Carey doon, ano?
And itong si Harvey Carey already with 8 points. Many of them, as we see, a nice move.
Hintay ko muna yung mga kampi ko. At saka ako popota para tumira, pero sumablay. And a steal from Ritualo inside of Mike Telan. Air 21 Express. This is how they play, really. They're using the speed. Pero ito si Winnie Arboleda, sabi niya, it's an open lane. Renan Etualo, some hustle play here na nakita natin. Extra pass to Mark Telan. And they're back in business. It sponsors PLDT. 41 all tayo ngayon, mga kaibigan. Panlamang na ba ito? Oh, see time around. They have taken the lead 3-0 yan. Samantala, ito, Asitaw lamang dito sa ating second quarter. Outside shot that won't go para kay Winnie Arboleda. And it could turn out to be a great defensive job. Look at that. Bandi nga natin si Mark Telan. He knows Asi. He knows Asi's weakness. So, throughout.
Tama, pero swak na swak.
Arboleda. Wala kapag-adjust ka nga. Willie Miller! Pinandama! 7:45. What is Mark Telan going to do about it? He attacks the defense of Pablo and he will be called for an offense. 7:45 here para sa phone bells. Jimmy Alapag. Going to Willie Miller. Miller finally getting a pass.